Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. This video is a little different than usual. We're going behind the scenes. Meet our team.
Neil Jenkins, or known as Nelly. I'm a MET Senior ATA Technician. Too long, 11 years. Greatest achievement, I should think, be the R8. Done full colour wrap on it and put Lambo doors on. Hobbies, I ain't ever got any because I'm always here, spend most of my life here. Nah, season ticket holder at Norwich City. Stripping the Lamborghini down, Hurricane for a full wrap. Sam for making me do this. It's got to be Danny because he's the nicest guy around. Probably have low blood pressure. Going home. Nah, just being the best I can, doing what I do.